How to develop determination in sports. Are you ready to unlock your full potential as an athlete? Today, we're delving into a crucial aspect of success in sports, developing determination. Whether you're on the field, court, or track, determination is the driving force behind every victory and accomplishment. In this guide, we'll explore effective strategies and techniques to cultivate unwavering determination in sports, empowering you to overcome challenges and achieve your goals. So let's dive in and discover how to harness the power of determination to excel in your athletic pursuits. Number 1, set clear goals. Setting clear goals is the cornerstone of developing determination in sports. Begin by defining specific and achievable objectives that align with your athletic aspirations. Whether it's improving your performance, winning a championship, or mastering a new skill, clarity in your goals provides a clear direction for your efforts. Write down your goals and make them measurable, allowing you to track your progress and stay motivated as you work towards them. Define specific and achievable goals that provide direction and motivation for your athletic pursuits. Number 2, break it down. Breaking down your goals into smaller, manageable milestones is essential for developing determination in sports. Take your long-term objectives and divide them into smaller, achievable tasks or targets. By breaking down your goals into bite-sized pieces, you create a roadmap for success that allows you to track your progress and celebrate your accomplishments along the way. This approach keeps you motivated and focused, making the journey towards your ultimate goals more manageable and attainable. Divide long-term goals into smaller, manageable milestones to track progress and maintain momentum. Number 3, stay committed. Staying committed is vital for cultivating determination in sports. Despite facing setbacks or obstacles, maintaining unwavering dedication to your goals is essential. Remember that setbacks are a natural part of the journey towards success, and it's your determination to persevere that sets you apart as an athlete. Stay focused on your objectives, keep pushing forward, and trust that your commitment will lead you to achieve your desired outcomes in sports. Maintain unwavering dedication to your goals, persevering through setbacks and obstacles along the way. Number 4, visualize success. Visualizing success is a powerful technique for nurturing determination in sports. Take time to vividly imagine yourself achieving your goals with clarity and conviction. Picture yourself overcoming challenges, performing at your best, and ultimately reaching your desired outcome. By consistently visualizing success, you reinforce your belief in your abilities and ignite the motivation to pursue your goals relentlessly. Use mental imagery to envision yourself achieving your goals, reinforcing your belief in your ability to succeed. Number 5, embrace challenges. Embracing challenges is essential for fostering determination in sports. Instead of fearing obstacles, view them as opportunities for growth and improvement. Challenges push you out of your comfort zone, allowing you to develop resilience and mental toughness. By embracing challenges head-on, you cultivate the determination to persevere through adversity and achieve success in your athletic pursuits. View challenges as opportunities for growth and learning, pushing yourself to overcome adversity and improve as an athlete. Number 6, seek support. Seeking support is crucial for bolstering determination in sports. Surround yourself with a supportive network of coaches, teammates, and mentors who can offer encouragement and guidance along your journey. Their encouragement and advice can provide you with the motivation and inspiration needed to stay committed to your goals, especially during challenging times. Surround yourself with a supportive network of coaches, teammates, and mentors who can encourage and motivate you on your journey. Number 7, stay positive. Staying positive is key to maintaining determination in sports. Adopting a positive mindset allows you to approach challenges with optimism and resilience rather than succumbing to negativity or doubt. By focusing on the possibilities and staying optimistic about your abilities and potential, you can fuel your determination and push through obstacles with unwavering confidence. Cultivate a positive mindset, focusing on your strengths and achievements rather than dwelling on failures or setbacks. Number 8, learn from failure. Learning from failure is essential for strengthening determination in sports. Instead of viewing failure as a setback, see it as an opportunity for growth and learning. Analyze your mistakes, extract valuable lessons, and use them to fuel your determination to improve and succeed in your athletic pursuits. Embrace failure as a stepping stone to success, extracting valuable lessons and insights from setbacks to fuel your determination. Number 9, stay consistent. Staying consistent is vital for cultivating determination in sports. Make a commitment to your training and goals, ensuring you maintain a regular schedule of practice and effort. Consistency breeds discipline and resilience, allowing you to overcome challenges and steadily progress towards your objectives. Maintain a consistent training regimen and approach to your sport, dedicating yourself to continuous improvement and growth. Number 10, celebrate progress. Acknowledge and celebrate your achievements and progress towards your goals, reinforcing your determination and motivation to keep pushing forward. In conclusion, by implementing these strategies for developing determination in sports, you're equipped to overcome obstacles, achieve your goals, and reach new heights in your athletic pursuits. Remember, determination is the fuel that drives success, so stay focused, stay committed, and let your passion for the game propel you forward. With unwavering determination, there's no limit to what you can accomplish on the field, court, or track. So embrace the journey, embrace the challenges, and let your determination shine bright as you pursue excellence in sports. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, join our community by subscribing, liking, and following us. See you in the next video.